The report for today is as follows. We had 634 new cases and 16 people have lost their lives. Total number of active cases in the state as of today stands at 4,915. We could see a scenario where we would touch 5,000. And that's the reason why, even before we reached it, we realized that the momentum of this virus is so strong that we need to take decisions way in advance. And that's the reason why, even though we were nowhere close to 5,000, we took the decision to lock down Shillong and East Khasi Hills and put very strong restrictions in many districts. In spite of that, we still reached this position. So if we had not done what we did 2 weeks back, our situation would have been much more complicated than what we have. At the same time, because we anticipated the way the things were moving, seeing what happened in the rest of the country, we realized that we would need more manpower, we would need more hospital beds, we would need more oxygen, and therefore we started the entire preparation for this moment which you're talking about. And so our preparation started almost 2 weeks, 3 weeks back, and that's why these restrictions were in place. But yet, we were not able to slow down the spread of the virus. So there are many factors for that, and we need to realize that government will put restrictions, but even at individual levels, we need to ensure that we follow our protocols, even at home. And that's the reason why this whole week, you're already aware, we'll be coming out with very strong sensitization program and a complete media campaign on how we should have our behavioral change even at the household level to ensure that we contain this. So yes, you're right. We had always looked at this 5,000 number and we prepared for this in that line. But it is very important to realize that if the numbers keep growing, no matter how many hospitals, beds, or oxygen cylinders we get, we will not be able to make it sufficient for everybody. Therefore, the containment is the most important strategy. Rather, we should say this is not even containment is a very kind of negative word, but this is the only precaution, I should say, that we can take. So we have to be very careful and ensure that we maintain our restrictions that we have right now, and hopefully we'll see that in days to come that the numbers will start to plateau, and hopefully very shortly we should be able to see numbers going down. But it's difficult to say right now. We cannot predict anything, but we can hope that it will happen, and for that we need the cooperation of the people and the society at large.